How you doing?
I'm good. I'm just hanging out.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're actually here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh?
You can't look yet though.
I'm not looking yet.
I tricked Kyan and kind of made it sound like I was lost. Did I fool you?
Yeah.
Did I actually?
Yeah. Did you drive around a bit?
I missed one turn, but that was it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can I take this off?
Yeah. We're going for a real adventure today.
Sick. We're going to fly with Sky?
Yeah. On a private tour with Bryce.
What?
Secret
With Bryce?
private. Yeah.
So sick.
Just the two of us.
I'm stoked. Oh my god.
You knew it was coming, didn't ya?
I kind of thought like when we're on our way here,
Yeah.
because I like know my way around really well.
But it's gonna be so much fun. It's like a gorgeous day. That's why we couldn't do it on your birthday, because that was the one day it was snowing and there's no visibility. So I got a call in the morning. But it actually worked out perfect because the day on your birthday, Bryce wasn't flying that day.
Oh really?
So, and it's actually even better that it works out because he'll be able to fly us.
Sick.
Woo!
Stoked.
Are you excited?
Wow, thanks so much, babe.
Oh, of course. We're gonna have so much fun.
No matter what you do, I still love you madly. With every move, I want you so
How you doing?
Good.
Was that fun?
So fun.
Whoa.
I think I found a new thing that I want to do
Yeah.
in the future.
Super rad, eh?
Yeah.
I'll follow the leader. I'll follow the leader. Cause you're my leader. I want you badly. No matter what you do, I still love you madly. With your every move, I want you so
Okay. On a scale 1 to 10, how was that?
120.
Did you have fun?
So sick. Thank you so much, babe.
Were you surprised?
Yeah, I was. I didn't expect that at all.
No, it was a good time. That was sick. I wish we vlogged more when we were up there, but I feel like we were taking in so much, so we didn't. But it was sweet. We got great photos and we had a great time.
Yeah, it was amazing, and having Bryce as our pilot was super sick.
Oh yeah. And next on the to-do list is jump out of one.
Yeah. Go jump out of one.
Kai's hooked, so now he wants to jump out of one, so we're gonna organize that for the summer, which will be sick.
Yeah, super sick.
Anyways, that was it. Now we're just gonna head home and get ready to go to California.
Yeah, road trip time.
Goodbye.
It's a good Friday. Thank you so much, babe.
You're welcome.